Hello, this is Patricia Brooks, and this is Courage Concept number 82. A winding road can help you reach your goals. Now, when we have a goal in mind, we set out on a path, and we want it to be the most direct route. And they say that the shortest distance between two lines is a straight line. And so that's how we plan for us to get to our goal. But life often has a different idea for us, and it can take us off that straight path. And the road to our goals can be a little bit more winding. However, that doesn't mean that's a bad thing. In fact, I'm here to tell you why it's a good thing. I was on a hike yesterday, and when we were coming down the mountain in the car, I recognized how winding the road was. And I thought to myself, why don't they make this road a little straighter? And as I looked out of the passenger side window up the mountain we were coming down, I thought, well, yeah, perhaps there would have been a path that they could have created a road that was straighter. But if they did that, that road would be really steep. It'd be a real steep incline. So it'd be difficult to drive up it, and coming down would be like this roller coaster. And so in order to have less of an incline, the road they forged was a winding one. And I thought, okay, that makes sense. And I don't know, I'm not an engineer by any stretch, but I thought that makes sense to me. And then I thought about how logical that is when we look at the path that we often find ourselves taking to reach our goals. We set out on a direct path, and that path starts to veer off. And that's for our benefit. There are two things that I know that this winding path helps us with. First of all, it helps us with getting up that mountain, getting to our goal, because if we had to climb this steep incline, it would be treacherous. It also helps us because we're building up an endurance, and we're learning things along the way that will serve us well once we reach our goal. Because once we reach our goal, we're going to be a different place in our lives. We're going to be different people. And in order to sustain that success, we're going to need certain skills. And that winding road gives us that training that we need. So, a winding road can help you to reach your goals. Now, this concept goes to the catalyst for cultivating courage, that is shifting your perspective, because when we want to get to our goal, we want to take that shortest route. We want the direct route. And when we find ourselves off of that direct route, we can be frustrated with ourselves. We can be so impatient. But when we recognize that this winding path toward our goals isn't bad, and that it can help us in the long run, we can embrace the journey and go about our efforts in a more joy-filled manner, which always gets better results. So that is Courage Concept number 82. A winding road can help you reach your goals. I will see you again next time. Bye for now.